out of the box, there's Homepod, which says it right here, my Apple Watch Series 3. And there's a picture of it. It looks white and a bit black, but however, it's actually space grey. Focus, yep, it's focused. And then if you turn the box over, there's an Apple logo here, which I can be an actual Apple fanboy. And then you turn the box again, you get another view of the HomePod, and then turn it again, the Apple logo, and so on. And when you turn it at the top, see the top bird's eye view of it. That is actually like a touch screen that you can just maximize volume, minimize Siri talks on that, and then that's what it would look like. And then there shouldn't be much detail here. Like, really, there isn't much detail here. And feature Siri, 7 horn low tweeters, high excursion woofer, 8 amplifiers, 6 microphone arrays, audio, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Apple Music subscription, that which you actually do, like, kind of get. It can work. It actually requires, to be honest, it says, let me just show you, iPhone 5S or later, like iPhone 5S, 6, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, stuff like that. An iPad Pro would work, iPad Air or later, iPad Mini 2 or later, iPod Touch 6th generation though, 6th generation. Focus, with the latest version of iOS though. Yeah, it's not actually going to be much of a reaction thing since I've already opened it, unboxed it before this video has probably came out. I've actually unboxed it the day that it's meant to come out, which is actually the 9th of February. Wait, so I'm very sorry about the information that was, I'm really sorry about that. The pre-order date wasn't the 9th of February since 9th February is today, so I meant the delivery date was 9th February, so people who did pre-order it like first would have got it today on the 9th of February. Hopefully you guys can see. Sorry about that. It was either the 22nd or 28th or something. I can't really remember from the top of my head. Moneybrow gang, joking. It's not going to be much of a reaction video. It's going to be more of a HomePod, just the features of the HomePod, as I've already told you, what it looks like, the appearance, my review. That probably would be in a later video, but yeah. Just the satisfaction of an Apple product box opening, just like if you have ever owned an Apple product, you would know the satisfaction of having one. It's just really satisfying, or just taking the box off. Well, and that nearly caught my eye. I can't really do this one-handed, so I'm just gonna do it like this, and then I'll just pick it up like that. And the box just comes off. As you guys seen, I did peel that off, and then I had to put it back on just for the video. The inside case is empty, just empty. Oh damn, boys! The first thing I would do is that satisfaction here. That satisfaction. That's touchscreen. That is touchscreen. You can literally see that. The rig, and then I would just pull this out, which is really heavy actually, and then I've already unboxed it, as I've said. And then you do get, and then let me show you what else you get. From that, you also get this design. I haven't had a look at this. There is a sticker included, but more than that, I don't know what else it is except for the sticker. It's really plain, designed by Apple in California. The opposite page, it says trademark in 2017, Apple Incorporated, all rights are reserved. So let's take one by one out. So if I can get this is your Apple sticker. I've got loads of these actually, to be honest. Apple sticker. Let's just, Imagine putting that on that, but joking, I wouldn't do that. And then you have your HomePod information here. Pause this now if you want to read. Have a read through it. Yep. Pause it. You should have paused it. Oh, okay. I'll give you another chance. There you go. Pause it. If you're gonna hopefully get one. Nobody really reads these, to be honest. I'm not trying to be. Yeah, I don't really read this, to be honest with you. I've actually never. I never read manuals. Only if it is necessary. With it, like my first time ever having an Xbox One, which was very necessary. And then you got your Energy Star efficiency and that. That's it. Then you get this. What's this? Apple 1 year. Oh, this is good then. This is actually good. I'm not gonna try. I'm not losing that. And then you still have this, and I believe there's more stuff in here. Oh, this is really. Oh. That's nothing. Oh, I was HomePod. Sorry guys about the jolty footage. HomePod, you have this. I can see an iPhone already here, but yeah, let's open it. Oh, it's a step-by-step guide. However, you don't really need to read this. The thing is, once you've plugged this in. Once you plug that in, it just automatically sets up like that with your iPhone. It could be an iPhone X, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 8, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 7, anything from the 5S. But here are the instructions. Connect to Wi-Fi and turn on Bluetooth on your iOS device with the latest version of iOS. Bam. You hold your device near the HomePod, then complete the on-screen setup, which is really easy. All you need to do is tap on the HomePod. It'll show you a diagram of this, and you just click OK and set up, and then it just automatically sets up. Oh, that does happen. Then you can just turn over, and here are some of the features. Tap, double tap, triple tap, touch and hold, tap and hold plus, tap or hold minus. Siri, you can ask Siri these things. Hey Siri, DJ for me. HomePod. It also works with tested it out. In my opinion, it's better than Amazon Alexa, Amazon Echo, whatever. Because this uses AirPlay, so I can listen to music off YouTube, Spotify, SoundCloud, and it doesn't actually have to be. It doesn't have to be Apple Music. So, just for that, I'd say it's worth the money. But let's get this plugged in. Okay, so before we plug this in, I've got a massive cable there that I can plug this in. I had to redo this actually. The satisfaction of everything here. So yeah, actually the wire isn't actually white. It's in oh, I forgot to mention. Basically, this is like a different type of material, spongy. It's like it's a fabric, and then you see this, and then it's like wow. And then at the bottom, it's just an Apple logo. Yeah, actually, if I just show you guys, if that just. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Wait. Focus. Focusing slowly. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see that. That knitted and shit. That's mad. And then, let me just get the power cable, guys. I've got the power cable. Let's plug it in and just. Oh yeah, I'm not going to be able to set this up right now since it's already been set up. All I need to do is now plug this in, and I'll just show you. Can you hear that? Did you just hear that? That was a HomePod playing some music from Spotify. And if you don't believe me on the sponginess here, wait, look at that. Let me zoom on into that fabric. That is the fabric. And then I can just zoom on here.